Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today my topic is hack of the reading to score the maximum marks. First of all, read out the question heading, one word only answer. Sometime question like this no more than 2 words. So here, 2 words answer is there so that these words are prescribed. Always read firstly your question heading. Then you came to know about some tricks. No more than 2 words. 2 words. True, false, not given. It is a simply task. True, when you have one statement and this statement you read in your passive. Sometime you have all the statement objective, verb, adjective. When you get it, then your answer is true. Sometime your answer synonym is changed, but line is correct, then your answer is true. And false, when you have given the half statement and half miss, at that time false. When you have no any statement, it's called not given. These type question are given to your exam like this. True, if the statement agree with the information. False, if the statement contradiction information. Half you have or half MCQ. It is a very simple way to solve it. When you read your passage, then you come to know about what information provided. When you know about this information is wrong, firstly wrong that option, and you have left some option, and then also read your option, and then go to your back passive and read the answer. If you know about this some statement is right and some statement is given, change the synonym but your statement is same, then MCQ tick by that answer. Matching headings. This type of the question you read all the passage and to come to know about which paragraph given for which heading.